So now that you're 2, I think that it's important that we have your routine on your own special piece of paper so that you can be the boss of your own routine. Do you know what I mean when I say routine? It's all the things that we do after dinner for this routine. It's all the things that we do every single night. What do we do? Well, we do eventually go to sleep, but do you know what we do first? We get into the bathtub. And do we take a bath? And then after bath, what do we do?
Read books.
We read books. Yeah. How many books do we read?
Yeah.
We read 3 books, yeah. And then after we read those books, then what do we do? Ready? 1, 2. How do you clear your place and excuse yourself? Real moments are learning moments.